I'm Andy Silver. I'm the 7th generation dairy farmer. Welcome to my farm. It's the time of the year where the corn silage is ready, and we had to get out there and get chopping because once the corn gets too dry, it's not as good a feed quality. When we feed our dairy cows, we gotta make the best quality feed so that we can produce the most amount of milk, the highest quality, and that all starts with the feed we're producing. We milk the cows, we collect the milk into a bulk tank, cooler, and then the milk truck comes and picks the milk up. It gets hauled over to Silver Lewis cheese factory. In 1897, my great-great-grandfather, he was a co-founder of the Silver Lewis cheese factory, which the idea was local farmers would be able to haul their milk over to a cheese factory. And as the years have gone by, it turned into a co-op. And it's still producing cheese, and we're hauling to that factory yet today, and they have some of the best cheese in Wisconsin. It would be pretty neat to have my kids someday to still be able to deliver milk to that same cheese factory. I would like my children to be able to take over this farm and be able to run it, work with me like I'm working with my dad. And maybe someday they'll have kids and they'll be able to work with them. From little up, I knew I wanted to farm. We're out on the farm with my dad, and it was just something we did all the time. My grandpa was in the tractor, we'd ride with him a lot. It was just something we always wanted to do from little up. I remember my grandpa, he took great pride in taking care of the land, and as the generations, he passed down a lot of that to my dad, which in return my dad has passed a lot down to me, that we really have to take care of the farm, the soil, so that there's soil for the next generation. It's always good to be listening to what my dad learned from his grandpa, because naturally everything that happened once will happen again that I haven't really seen. On my farm, I gotta have quality products, because if I don't have quality, I'm not making money. The machinery's not working, I'm just not getting anything done. I use my Enduraplas diesel fuel boss to fill it up at the diesel tank and take it out to my tractor, so it saves a lot of time running back and forth. Being able to take that Enduraplas tank out to the field is real efficient, because I'm not running the tractors back on the road wearing the tires down. It's saving time. I'm at the field and I jump in the tractor and go. I would definitely recommend the Enduraplas fuel boss. It works great. It's easy to load in your pickup truck. Works every time you need it. Everybody says farming is tough, but it's just something that, it's just the way we grow up. It's what we do, trying to grow the best crops to feed our dairy cows. They say we're feeding the world, but I'm just out here farming.